Hello student. Now this is the last activity, appreciation of poem. Okay. So here we are going to discuss on 5 points. The first point is title. So the title of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight, or you can just write Basket Full of Moonlight. Second point, poet. The poem is written by Sunil Sharma, or you can just write Sunil Sharma. Okay, like that. Third, rhyming scheme. Now you know rhyming scheme, but if you see in this poem there is no rhyming scheme. Okay, there is no rhyming word, no rhyming scheme. So we have written here there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. So such type of poems are called free verse. So we are going to write the second line here. This poem is an example of free verse. Now the fourth point is figure of speech. So you are going to write only one figure of speech, okay? But just for understanding, I have written so many figure of speeches here, okay? So the first is repetition, very simple, okay? Repetition. Example, I want to saw many small moons of light, okay? So this is example of repetition. It is very easy. Otherwise you can write alliteration also. Alliteration means you know that a later. Alliteration means what? Later. And repetition means what? Word or line. Okay. So alliteration means what? A later is repeated for poetic effect. Right now? Oh moon, give me moonlight. So the letter M is repeated. So this is example of alliteration. Or you can write antithesis. Anti means what? Opposite. Anti-corruption, antibiotics, antiseptic, opposite. Okay, so example, I want to light the dark route. I want to light. So light and opposite word is dark. Okay, so the words light and dark are opposite ideas. Okay, so it is called antithesis, opposite idea. Okay, the next is tautology. Tautology means what? See, tautology means I want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. So the words fairy tales and stories are the same meaning. The words fairy tales and stories have the same meaning. Okay, so that is called tautology, means same meaning, and antithesis means opposite. Okay, and you can use this also, hyperbole. Bully. So hyperbole means what? The poet exaggerated. म्हणजे exaggerated means what? काहीतरी छोटी गोष्ट खूप मोठी सांगणे. Okay, that is called exaggerated. Look at the last line. I want to saw seeds of moon on the side of the path. I want to saw seeds of moon. Okay, the idea of sowing the seeds of moon is exaggerated. Okay, exaggerated म्हणजे मोठी करून सांगितलेली आहे. Bigger or stronger or weaker. Okay, अशी करून सांगण्याला काय म्हणतात? Exaggerated. Okay, so the idea of sowing seed of moon is exaggerated. Okay, so hyperbole also. Hyperbole is one type of figure of speech. But in exam, you can write only one figure of speech. Okay, pause the video. And the last point is, fifth point, theme or central idea. Okay, so in this central idea, you can write anything. What you understood from the poem? You know that. Okay, what is the meaning of the poem? So you can write anything. But I have written some points here. The poem tells us difficult and dangerous life of villagers. Okay, and the speaker of the poem requests moon to give seeds of moonlight to lighten the path so that his father could come back home early and tell him stories, bedtime stories. Oh, okay, so in this way you can write anything, 2 or 3 sentences in the central idea, what you understood. Okay, Is it clear? Thank you very much.